What is up, guys? My name is Carson, my wife's name is Sammy, and we are the Complete Couple, and today we are inside the Bellagio Conservatory trying out SADELLE'S. I don't know if that's how you say it, we believe that's how you say it.
That's how I've always said it, it's probably wrong.
We've been here before, the drinks are expensive, the food's incredible. We're going to show you guys what it has to offer. We will show you the beautiful Bellagio Conservatory after this. They just changed it to spring, it's absolutely breathtaking. Beautiful flowers, you can smell it the second you walk in.
It's crazy.
Let's go inside, we'll check it out. Here it is, SADELLE'S. Look how beautiful it is in here. We'll go show you a little bit more later. Inside the Bellagio Conservatory, we do have reservations, which is nice. Oh, it feels so much better in here. It was really hot outside. Let's go to our seat. There we go. It's kind of cool. They have some ledge seating over here that overhangs into the conservatory, which is really neat. Looks like we're going to be dead center here, potentially. There's the bar. Yeah, we're going to be dead center. Alright, so we are here at SADELLE'S Las Vegas. Here is the menu. Let's check it out. Let's dive in here. So, I'm not even sure what these are here. So, these look like maybe your omelets. No, just kind of breakfast. So, your breakfast items, you got eggs anyway, salmon, a lot of salmon options. Eggs any style. You could do Benedict's.
Cool. So you do steak and eggs, but you can do breakfast combos. So they come with coffee, fruit. This one comes with a Bloody Mary or mimosa, cool. So like a combo. You
got fish options, smoked Scottish salmon, tuna salad, whitefish salad, house salmon. Specialties, grapefruit brulee. I don't even know what that is. A Belgian waffle, blueberry pancakes.
Avocado toast. Oh my God, we had that
one time. Oh, we did. It was amazing. They do have caviars here. That's crazy. They got some sides. You can do a tuna tartare starter, shrimp cocktail. Matzo ball soup, would have never guessed that, a French onion. They do have some salad, you can get a Cobb, a Greek. Here's your sandwiches, tuna melt, a lot of fish. Cheeseburger, crispy chicken, triple deckers, oh my goodness. I don't even know what that is, but it sounds interesting. It's got to be kind of a thick sandwich. You can get quesadillas, and then here's your entrees.
Yep, but that is only available after 5.
Ah, there you go, after 3 p.m.
There you go.
So after 3 p.m. you get fried chicken, baked potatoes. Only on Friday and Saturday. So that is the menu, so we'll see how it is. This is their pigs in a blanket with a side of, I don't know what that is right there, but that is mustard. These are beautiful, and that's their avocado toast, which we've had before. It's absolutely incredible. Who wants to give them a shot?
Well, we got a cup of avocado toast, so I'll try this.
Try pigs in a blanket.
Oh, they're hot though. Mustard maybe? Yeah, I feel like that's a staple.
Dig in the mustard.
Here we go.
I will tell you, our service has been terrible here so far. He is kind of a D-I-C-K.
Look how flaky and soft that puff pastry is.
Looks amazing.
Oh, that's good.
Hot?
That may be one of the best pigs in a blanket I've ever had in my life.
Wow.
I'm not kidding you. Wait till you try that. I'm not even messing with it.
Cool, I can't wait. Dad, what do you think about the pigs in a blanket?
They were fantastic. I enjoyed them. I thought about getting an extra side of them just to have it.
Wow. That's how good they were. This just looks really pretty. See it, Dad.
It's pretty with the avocado in there and the pickled onions.
Oh, that looks pretty.
And whatever that is up there. Really good. The pickled onions are really good.
A lot of flavor.
You can really taste the pickled onions in there.
Oh, I'm excited.
Crazy.
Wow. Just how I remember it.
Nice. I'm excited. We're going to dig in.
So good.
See you guys for main courses.
It's a sticky bun, and it's actually sticky. So that tells me it's, well, what could be sticky on there?
I love it. What's it?
Glaze? Like a maple syrup?
Yeah, like a maple syrup. I thought there'd be butter with it.
I thought it was going to be a little moister. It looks a little dry to me.
It's a little hard.
So I could be wrong, but my visual said it looked a little dry.
It's salty. It must have some caramel on there.
Way too sweet for me. Holy cow.
It's not. It's something different. I don't know what the flavor is.
It's a caramel topping.
Caramel, thank you. The toffee, there you go.
I don't know on that. I'm 50-50 on it.
It's unique.
I mean, by no means was it dry. It was moist.
No, it's very moist actually. It's dense. It's dense.
Dense is a good word. I agree.
Yeah, very heavy.
There you go.
It's not light like the puff pastry around the pigs in the blanket.
But it's very rich and it's very heavy. Good though if you like sugar.
It tasted amazing actually. Now that I finished eating it, it tastes really good. Alright, so we're going to show you guys dinner. Our brunch. Alright, here we go. We have got some food. Steak and eggs. Let's see how the steak is cooked.
The smell is pretty. I remember these.
Looks really nice. So there's our steak and eggs.
This is scrambled eggs with cheddar cheese, bacon, hash browns, and then their pork sausage, which I swear I remember from years ago. Let's see if it's as good as I remember it.
There you go.
That is
Sean
just as good.
snagged a grilled cheese.
Looks so pretty.
You can see the inside of that, Sean. How's it look?
Look at the French fries too.
Looks pretty good. You want to snag a bite?
Snag a bite. Grilled cheese
I'll be
wrap.
honest, Sean's a pretty good grilled cheese master, so to be honest with you, good, bad, ugly. What is this?
This is the huevo rancheros.
Okay, the huevos rancheros.
2 tostado shells, basically. And then pico de gallo, black beans, avocado, basically the eggs,
There
and
you
then
go.
steak. And the steak is phenomenal.
And we also got Greek salads. A lot of colors going on there, like Sean said. Very pretty. We did not like either dressing, so we got some ranch. What do you think so far, your huevos rancheros?
The steak is fantastic. One of the
excited.
better steaks I've had.
Better than your 130 last night?
Yeah, much better than the one I had last night. To be honest with you, much better.
There you go.
Better texture, cooked better, and a better flavor.
There you go.
I had a bite at Dad's.
Yep.
It might have been the best steak we've had so far here.
There you go. You know what's funny? We came here 3 years ago. I
They
said the
liked it
same
there.
thing, just so you know.
Yeah.
Yes,
Look at that medium rare.
Unreal.
I don't know if it's blank steak or what it is, but it's amazing.
Tender.
Oh my god.
We went to a steakhouse last night. That's better.
There you go.
All right, steak and eggs test. Here we are. Looks pretty. Wow. Yeah, the good cook on it. You gonna do it with the egg? You're just going for the steak? It's called steak and eggs, bro.
That steak's incredible.
Is it? I'll have to try a bite.
It's a really good.
Oh my god, it's so
tender.
good. So good. Very impressed.
Competition's real right now.
Very impressed.
I just had some of my hash browns were really good. Needed salt, but I salt everything, so you really can't base that. Eggs look pretty good.
Okay.
Bacon I haven't tried yet. What do you think?
Phenomenal with the ranch. Didn't
Glad
like
I
either.
added the steak.
But why don't you put a little? You'll like
I'll have a
it.
bite in a second. Well, there you go. So Greek salad good, but weird dressings. And she's an Italian dressing girl, so yeah, a little weird. We'll bring you back at the end, but so far looking pretty promising.
All right, listen. We're doing a versus, so we need to know if SADELLE'S or Alexa's.
Which was
Remember,
yesterday?
go back 2 days or a day ago. That was what we had
I
yesterday.
had you over there.
Oh yeah, it was the steak and eggs and the crab omelet. Oh, now you gotta really think.
Yeah.
Okay, so going off of your meal, which was the crab omelet.
This was better.
Okay, or however, based off of Dad's steak and eggs.
I like to steak and eggs.
They
The
were.
avocado toast was the best I've ever had. My sticky bun was actually really good. And my steak was the best steak I've had since I've been in Vegas. So I have to
Wow.
give it to this place.
There you go.
Oh, you're gonna hate my answer.
Okay.
I truly don't know. Because let me put it this way. Because in my opinion, these are two different meals. I had eggs, bacon, and hash browns. Yesterday I had a pasta.
Yeah,
My
but
opinion.
what's better?
For brunch, because you can order both for brunch. You
Dude,
ordered
I don't
brunch.
know.
Okay, well, I'll give you my answer at this place.
This place for you, huh?
Yeah. My steak was the top notch.
Well, there you go.
Steak was top notch. All right, here is the bill. This is for me and Sam. We did the pigs and blanket avocado toast. I got 3 Michelob Ultras. This is why you buy drinks at the store, dude. My drink for 24 ounces at the concession is $10. They are $10 a beer here. Way different. 2 Tito's, steak and eggs,
Ambiance, son.
pork sausage.
Thank you
Your
for the
sausage was
I
ambiance.
$11.
know.
Came
I didn't
to
like the sausage.
208 plus tip, and there it was.
I
That
wasn't a
was
fan of the
SADELLE'S.
I still love SADELLE'S.
I love SADELLE'S. It was amazing. Alrighty, guys. So that was SADELLE'S. I'm gonna be blunt and honest. The food was a 9.5 for me. The service was a 1. So if we wanted to average those, it would come out to about a 6. I'm gonna go ahead and go with the high side and say the food was better because maybe I had a bad service. What do you think, honey?
I think you're a little bit dramatic. He was not a very good server, but overall everything went well. He did mess up my eggs, but he gave me new ones for sure. Everything came out good, hot, really delicious. I liked everything. The drinks are really expensive. It's a very expensive
We did.
restaurant.
Drinks
That's
are not
the only
cheap.
downside. And the food's expensive. I mean, avocado toast like 23 bucks.
Yeah.
That's pretty pricey.
Not a cheap place, but the
overall,
food is amazing.
And the ambiance and the inside, you're like nice conservatory, so it's really cute. It's like a tea room. I liked it just as much as a few years ago.
Here you go.
Did not disappoint.
I'm gonna give my round answer of I don't remember what I gave yesterday, but taking
Don't
into
either.
account service and price, I'm gonna go 8.1.
8.3. I think that might be below.
I don't know. I'm going 8.1.
I don't remember.
Taking into account everything. So there we go.
Don't forget to like.
Subscribe.
See you next time.
Look at the butterflies. I don't know what that is up there. Like a rose bush. A teapot. Oh my God, Sean, what is that? It's a hummingbird. Wow. Really It's amazing. There's a fairy up there, sleeping on a moon with a tea kettle, a hot air balloon. It's just very peaceful in here. Very peaceful. Look at this bridge. Beautiful. It smells amazing in this place. You can smell every flower. Amazing. Love the Bellagio Conservatory. So beautiful.